Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just a short video to answer a question I received in the comments around whether you can use the Omnia oven on a 27 series trangia. I don't know the answer, so let's find out together, shall we? So first off, we'll get the trangia out of the billy can. It's been a while since this has seen some use. I tend to use the 25s more than anything now. So there's the trangia set up. So we'll just whip out the Omnia. First we'll try the hot plate. Yeah, the hot plate seems to sit nice and steady on there. If you just want to take a look, you can see it's nicely positioned on the actual pan stays. We'll put the rest of the oven on. Yeah, that's perfectly stable. I don't see any reason you couldn't use an Omnia oven on a 27 series trangia. Hope that's answered the question and been of some use to some of the other people out there. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and or subscribe. And remember folks, keep on dabbling. Apologies for the dogs, they're having a whale of a time up at the small holding. See you later.